So we're staging a new Airbnb / short-term rental / travel nurse rental. And I want to show you where do we go to get some of our furniture. So there's a local thrift store right here off Jefferson Avenue in Newport News. Give them a pan, Miss Katrina, if you don't mind. Show them the street here. So what do? We go to the thrift stores to see what they have available, because from time to time you can get good deals. So we're here a second time around, and I've got a friend from where I went to college with. He has a store. We're going to see exactly what type of furniture he has so he can help us stage this new property, so you know what to look for when you go out to stage your next short-term rental property. Let's do it. So as you're watching this roundup, homies, I'm actually headed to Dubai. I'm making this video for you right now because I love you, and I want to show you kind of a little bit how we stage these properties. Where do I go to look for certain things? Mattresses, bed frames, furniture, dressers, couches, love seats, all that stuff. So I'm gonna take you to the store that we go to so you can see how to talk to these people. How do you stage these short-term rental properties on a budget? I don't want you out there buying everything brand new. It's just no need for that. Roundup, I want to thank you. I've got to thank you before we get to it. It has been a ride with you. We finally made it, Roundup. It came in the mail. We just passed the 100,000 mark. Ooh, I'm gonna show it to you. Is that it there? We hit the 100,000 mark, Roundup. I don't want to get the thing. Can you see it? Oh boy. So I'll flash it on the screen so you can see it there. We made it. We passed 100,000, y'all. We did it. We passed 100,000, Roundup, homies. I want to thank you for your time. It is just an honor for me to serve you, helping you to be financially free. All right, let's go to this thrift store to see what they have. Okay, class, this is Chris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. Let's see what the thrift store has right here. We got to get this Airbnb staged. Hey, Paul, you here, brother?
Yo.
Brother Paul, how you doing? Roundup, come on in. How you doing, sir?
Brother Chris, how you doing, sir?
It's good to see
you.
Good
to see you as well.
Roundup, Paul Abercrombie. We went to college together. He is a businessman, entrepreneur extraordinaire. Paul, tell me a little bit about yourself and what brings us here. Why are you here?
We're basically here, Chris, so that people can have an alternative to financing and really just be able to spend what they have. You know, to be able to get quality furniture, quality mattresses, free same-day delivery at a quality price. You can come in, you can negotiate on almost any product that we have in here.
Sweet.
We've got all the needs everything you need for a household.
I love it, Paul.
Yeah.
Let's see, you want to give us a quick, well, let me ask you, Paul, I need mattresses. Mattresses,
Okay.
Now they are in here or they're going to be somewhere else?
The mattresses are going to be next door.
Cool.
So in here, you're going to have furniture that you can
You want to show what you got here?
Yeah.
Roundup, this is my,
We'll go here and then we can slide in here. So
okay, cool. Let's follow you. What you got? So what do you usually sell in here, Pete?
Is it running?
Yeah, we run it all live.
Okay. What we got here, we got both new and used products. Take a look over here. We've got two-piece sets here, about $150 a piece. But then we have brand new sets for $8.99.
What is a set, Paul? I don't even know what a set is.
A set is a love seat. A set is a
That's cool.
A set is a love seat and a sofa.
Love seat, sofa.
Love seat and sofa, or a sectional.
Okay. So a love seat is 2 people, sofa is 3 people.
Exactly.
Let's understand. Okay.
Exactly.
So we got new stuff too.
We have new stuff and used stuff.
Sweet.
Okay. So we've got our two-piece sets, we've got our sectionals, we've got recliners, we've got ottomans.
Wow.
I mean, we've got pretty much everything that you need here. Let's take a look over here in room 2.
So P, you can pretty much stage everything we need.
Everything you need.
I'm presuming I'm not the only person that comes to you for Airbnb stuff.
Oh, absolutely not. I mean,
you name it.
A lot of persons who have real estate, whatnot, they come in, they're looking for a great deal, same-day delivery. We got your bunk beds, we got your recliners, we got dressers, we got your two-piece sets over here, we got your sectionals over there, we got love seats, sofas, we got carpets, we've got futons, just about everything you need for the house.
Cool. Let's take a look at the mattresses.
Okay.
Okay, so Paul's store is right there. What's the name of your store, by the way?
Second time around.
And you're located?
Located 9823 Jefferson Avenue, right here in Newport News.
Cool. So we
deliver all 7 cities.
All 7 cities. Cool. Hampton Roads area, guys. So this is close to your store next door. What do we have here?
what we have here is we sell brand new mattresses as well as gently used mattresses. If you see right, you can turn right here. You can see right here where we've got a truckload of gently used mattresses that have come in that'll be taken off and sanitized. So let's step into the brand new mattresses here.
Wow.
Over here.
That is crazy, P.
Okay. So we've got all sizes. Twin size, full size, queen size, king size, whatever you need. We got 8-inch, we got 10-inch, we got 12-inch mattresses. Whatever you want. Delivered to your door, free, same day.
Paul, now, what is my price range on from small to big?
Okay, so generally your used set is generally gonna range from $150 to $250.
He can hit, yo, you got a mic right here. You only got to speak regular.
So your brand new mattresses, we have the best prices anywhere. Your new,
Say that again. 150 to 250.
your used sets range from $150 to $250.
Gotcha.
Our brand new sets, when I say a set, I mean a mattress and box spring. You get a brand new queen set delivered to your door for $275. That's brand new,
Sweet.
nice, thick, brand new mattress. So
That's a pretty cool deal, P. You can't beat that. How about so Queen? Do you do King too?
all sizes, sir.
Okay.
All sizes. These are all your kings right here. We just got a new shipment in for king mattresses.
Okay. So, Paul, what is your USP? What makes you unique in business? What you do here? And I know why I come here.
Okay, well, what makes us unique is that there's no other store quite like ours where you're providing quality new and used items. The fact that we can deliver same day, the fact that you can negotiate your price, and we accept cash app, whatnot. And
you got a credit thing too, right? Do you let people?
we also do easy financing.
Tell
But
me about
again,
that.
okay, our easy financing, all you need is a bank account. It's not credit sensitive. It's not
Okay.
credit-based, credit sensitive at all. It takes about 2 minutes to get qualified.
Wow.
And it's $53 down. You know?
Holy
So we do
cow.
have that option, but again, we try to have our customers spend what you can afford.
I got you. Well, Paul, thank you for what you're doing. Thank you for what you're doing for the community and helping me get this thing staged. Anything else you want the Roundup homies to know about you?
That's about it. Appreciate you coming today.
Yeah.
Dear
Okay.
friend, Chris
So we're gonna get-
Haskins.
We're going to get this thing staged up. Thanks to Paul. He's going to help me and get these mattresses in, hopefully today. And make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, like the content, and share with anybody else that needs to figure out how they're going to get their Airbnb or short-term rental staged at an affordable price. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.